Welcome to Second Presbyterian Sunday School. I'm Mrs. Ward from the River Cooking class, and today our lesson for Easter is the empty tomb. It was early in the morning on the third day after Jesus died. The sky was pink and red with the first light of the sun. The women didn't notice the sky. They hurried to the cave that contained Jesus' body. Mary Magdalene and Mary, the mother of James, led the way. Two others, Salome and Joanna, carried the spices to rub on the body of Jesus. They had a job to do. When the tomb of Jesus came into sight, they froze. Uh-oh, they had forgotten about the huge stone that sealed the opening to the cave. How would they move it? The women kept going to the cave anyway. As they came closer, the women could see that the stone had already been rolled away. They peeked inside. Ooh, it was dark in there. Brr, it was cold in there. Drip, drip, drop. It was damp in there. What? It was empty in there. Jesus was gone. An angel appeared in sparkling white clothes. The glow from the angel brightened even the darkest corners of the cave. The women shielded their eyes from the blinding light. Don't be afraid, the angel said. Jesus isn't there. This is a place for the dead. Jesus is alive. Hurry, the angel said. Go tell the disciples. The women did not delay. They ran to tell Jesus' friends what they had seen and heard. Oh, Mary bumped into a man, tripped, and fell. At his feet. Wait. She knew those feet. A familiar hand reached out to her. Wait. She knew that hand. She looked up. Yes, she knew that smile. It was Jesus. Hello, friends, Jesus said. Jesus was really alive. The women hugged his feet and shouted with joy. Go tell the others the good news that I am alive. Jesus said, I will meet them in Galilee. I can't wait to see them again. The women had a new job to do. They had to tell everyone Jesus was alive.
Welcome to the cooking portion of our lesson today. We have a special recipe to go with the empty tomb story.
The ingredients we have laid out in front of you already are crescent rolls from a package, marshmallows representing the body of Jesus. The crescent rolls are what we use to make the tomb. We have melted butter for the oil and cinnamon sugar for the spices that the women were going to wrap Jesus' body with. When you're at home, you can either have all of this out and prepared, ready to go, or you can do one thing at a time. Mrs. Blackshaw is going to stretch the crescent roll a little bit to make room for the marshmallow. And then she's going to dip the marshmallow in the butter to moisten it a little bit, and then put it in the cinnamon sugar, and that'll hold on, the butter will hold the cinnamon sugar on the marshmallow. And then you stretch the crescent roll all the way around the marshmallow, making sure to not have any gaps, because you don't want anything to leak out in the oven.
Cover that up.
Yep, cover it all up. And then you put each one of the marshmallow tombs into a muffin tin, or if you don't have a muffin tin, that's fine. You can put them on a baking sheet with some parchment or foil, but be sure to have something on it, either have it greased or with parchment or foil. Now we're going to put this in the oven, which has been preheated to 375. And it stays on for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. So you have to keep an eye on it. When the tombs are medium brown, you need to take them out of the oven. Our cooking time for the mini oven is a little bit less than it would be for you all at home, because the element is really close to the cooking tombs. You can see they're ready. They're very nicely browned. And you remove it.
But be careful because it's very hot.
And cut it open. And voila! Empty tomb. The marshmallow is gone. Jesus has risen out of the tomb and onto the road with his friends. Thanks for listening. Happy Easter.